Hello students. So we were revising the word problems of exercise 8. Today we'll continue the same. We'll discuss question number 16 first. Just look at question number 16 of your book. It says find the greatest 4-digit number which leaves no remainder when divided by 15, 21 and 28. Okay, we have to find the greatest 4-digit number. First thing I have told you, never pay attention on the term greatest and smallest. These are the secondary terms. Okay, just you have to see which leaves no remainder. No remainder means that is exactly divisible. I have told you a number is said to be exactly divisible when there is no remainder. Okay, so question यहाँ क्या कहना चाह रहा है that we have to find the greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 15, 21, 28. यानी 4 डिजिट का सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर जो इन तीनों नंबर से exactly divisible हो. ओके, एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल वही नंबर होता है चिल्ड्रन जो उन तीनों नंबर के मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल में आता है. ठीक है, ये चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे. ओनली द मल्टीपल्स आर एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय दैट नंबर. ओके, 4 के सारे मल्टीपल्स 4 से डिविजिबल हैं. 6 के सारे मल्टीपल्स 6 से डिविजिबल हैं क्योंकि वो सारे नंबर्स उस नंबर के मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल में आते हैं. ठीक है, सो व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू फाइंड a number which is exactly divisible by the given numbers, अगर एक की बात हो रही है तो we are going to find the multiple, but we have to find such a number which is divisible by all the three numbers, यानी इन तीनों का common multiple. Okay, and we have learned how to find the common multiple and the smallest common multiple. Okay, we can never find the greatest common multiple because the multiples are unlimited. Okay, so we have learned to find least common multiple or the lowest common multiple. So what we have to do in this question, we have to find the least common multiple of these three numbers. Okay, but you can see here the term is written greatest. Okay, but greatest को आपको ध्यान नहीं देना है, आपको पूरा देखना है greatest 4-digit number. ठीक है, तो we can easily find the greatest 4-digit number. How? Let's see. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वील फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल यानी द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. ग्रेटेस्ट की बात अभी हम थोड़ी देर बात करेंगे. ठीक है, सो लेट अस फाइंड द कॉमन मल्टीपल, द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 15, 21 एंड 28. सो फर्स्ट विल राइट गिवन नंबर्स. दे आर 15, 21 and 28. Okay, so we will find LCM because in question it is written we have to find a number which leaves no remainder when divided by these three numbers. Okay, so let us start. 15, 21, 28. I'll divide it by 2. 15 copied as it is, 21 copied as it is 14 times. Then again by 2, 15 as it is, 21 as it is 7 times. And now 15, 21 and 7, they are not divisible by 2, so I'll take number 3. 15 will be divided 5 times, 21 will be divided 7 times and 7 will be copied as it is. Now I'll divide it by 5. 1 times, copied as it is, copied as it is. Now I'll divide it by 7. 1 times, 1 times. So the LCM of these three numbers is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 and 60 multiplied by 7. You can do it directly. 6 7s are 42 and a 0. That means the LCM of these three numbers is 420. यानी 420 is the smallest number which is divisible by these three number, जो कि इन तीनों के टेबल से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बट क्वेश्चन वॉज सेइंग कि वी हैव टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट 4-digit नंबर. ठीक है, तो ना तो ये 4-digit का नंबर है और ना ही ये ग्रेटेस्ट है बिकॉज L स्टैंड्स फॉर लीस्ट. सो हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू प्रोसीड? वी नो दैट the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay, and you all can check and you all know already that it is not divisible by 15, 21 and 28. ठीक है, तो अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं, ध्यान से देखिए. आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड 9999 by 420. So let's divide. It is a 3-digit number, so first of all we'll consider 3-digit of the dividend. So it will be divided 2 times 840, 9, 5, 1. Now we'll copy 9. It will be divided 3 times, then 1260, 9, 3 and 3. So you can see that 339 is the remainder. Okay, now to find the required number, what I am going to do, this was the greatest 4-digit number. Out of this number, I know because this number is not exactly divisible by 15, 21 and 28. Why it is not exactly divisible? Because the remainder 339 is something extra hidden in this number. Okay, what I am trying to say, you will understand this with the help of example. You know that 18 is not exactly divisible by 5. You all know that. If we divide it by 5, it will be divided 3 times. So 8 minus 5, it is 3. Okay, so you can see that here 3 is the remainder. 18 5 से exactly divisible क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि इस 18 में 3 छुपा हुआ है जो एक्स्ट्रा है, जो उसको डिवाइड नहीं होने दे रहा है. If we remove this 3 from 18, अगर इस रिमाइंडर को जो कि एक्स्ट्रा है, जो कि बचा है, जो कि लेफ्ट है, अगर हम उसको 18 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो क्या बचता है? 15. एंड यू नो नाउ 15 इज एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय 5. ओके, सो एनी नंबर, कोई भी नंबर है, अगर वो उस नंबर से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल नहीं है, दैट मीन्स कि उस नंबर में जो रिमाइंडर है वो एक्स्ट्रा है. ओके, सो अगर हम उस रिमाइंडर को उस नंबर में से रिमूव कर दें तो वो नंबर एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल हो जाएगा, जैसे कि आपने इस एग्जाम्पल में देखा. Okay, the same thing I am going to do here. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number but not exactly divisible by the 3 numbers. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to remove this extra. Remainder is the extra part. So 339 will be removed. Remove means subtraction. So 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6 and 9. So 9660 is the required number. This is the greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 15, 21 and 28. Okay, so this is how we are going to proceed in such type of questions. You can check that 9660 is exactly divisible by 15, 21 and 28. You can divide and check. ये नंबर जो है तीनों नंबर से exactly divisible होगा. Okay.